Within walking distance to the lake, local shops and restaurants, and Evergreen's exceptional schools, 5283 South Pine Road is the perfect home base for anyone looking to live in the heart of Evergreen, Colorado. I'm Claudine Phillips with the Phillips team at Keller Williams Foothills Realty, and I'd love to take you on a tour of this luxury listing. Let's go. Built in 2016 and with nearly $150,000 in upgrades, pride of ownership shines as you walk through this spacious 3-bedroom, 3-bath home. The large, charming cedar-covered porch welcomes you as you enter this 2-level open floor plan. The great room features Brazilian wood floors, vaulted ceilings, and large windows, bringing in plenty of natural light. The spacious family room is anchored by a stone gas fireplace with a newly installed custom hand-hewn wooden mantel. Just off the family room, the kitchen features luxurious granite counters and a stainless steel gas range, and an oversized island that takes center stage. And the adjoining dining room offers plenty of space to house all your family and friends. The primary suite is on the main floor, featuring a gas fireplace and a large window. The adjoining 5-piece bath with slate tile, granite counters, an oversized tub, and a generous walk-in closet for 2 complements this primary bathroom. Also on the main floor is the huge laundry room and extra-large 2-car garage. The wrought iron staircase takes you to where the party happens. Beautiful granite counters, a mini fridge, and a sink are included in this custom wet bar. There are plenty of space for playing games and watching your favorite movie. Wood floors, generous windows, and tall ceilings make this space complete. 2 additional oversized bedrooms, a full bathroom, and an oversized storage space are found just off this entertaining space. And if that wasn't enough, a custom-built wine room with custom wrought iron doors is tucked away under the wooden staircase. And for an added bonus, your very own separate office or studio space makes it easy to work from home or turn it into an art or exercise studio. And let's not forget about the greenhouse and a large storage unit that's included on this property. And I've saved the best for last. Enjoy Colorado's great outdoors with 3 entertaining decks and a flagstone patio with a fire pit. For more information or to schedule a tour, reach out to us at phillipsteamco.com.